Imagine waking up 10 years from now, not worrying about bills, not stressing about retirement, and knowing your money is working for you, even while you sleep. That's the power of smart investing. But where should you put your money today to build a stable future tomorrow? Let's dive into the smartest strategies that anyone, yes, even you, can start today. Before we talk about where to invest, let's start with the mindset. Investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about patience, consistency, and time. Warren Buffett, one of the world's greatest investors, once said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient." And he's absolutely right. If you want to build a strong financial foundation, you need to think long-term. The smartest investment you can ever make: yourself. Studies show that people who continuously learn new skills and adapt to changes in the job market earn significantly more over their lifetime. Whether it's taking online courses, learning coding, starting a side hustle, or improving communication skills. These investments compound just like money in the bank. Every hour you put into learning is an investment in your future self. Now, let's talk money. Historically, the stock market has returned about 10% per year on average. That means if you invest just $500 a month in an index fund like the S&P 500, you could have over $1 million in 30 years. Thanks to the power of compound interest. Think about that. A small habit, done consistently, could literally make you a millionaire over time. The key is to start early, automate your contributions, and stay consistent even when the market goes up and down. Another proven path to wealth is real estate. Owning property not only gives you a tangible asset, but also produces rental income and grows in value over time. Fun fact: over 90% of millionaires in the US have real estate as part of their portfolio. And you don't need to buy a mansion either. Starting with a small rental property, a duplex, or even investing through REITs, real estate investment trusts, can put you on the ladder. Real estate builds equity while often providing monthly cash flow. And that's why it's such a powerful tool for long-term stability. But there's something most people overlook: retirement accounts. If your employer offers a retirement plan like a 401k, grab it, especially if they match your contributions. That's literally free money. Add in tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, and you're setting yourself up for a stress-free retirement. Think of these as your future paycheck, but one you don't have to work for. Every contribution you make is a gift you're giving to your future self. Now here is a golden rule that every investor should know. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments. Mix stocks, bonds, real estate, and even cash savings. This way, if one market dips, you won't lose everything. It's like building a safety net that protects you from surprises. Diversification doesn't just reduce risk, it also gives you peace of mind, knowing you're covered from multiple angles. And let us not forget something most people don't even consider as an investment: your health and your relationships. Without good health, no amount of money matters. Without strong relationships, wealth feels empty. Exercising, eating right, spending time with loved ones. These are investments that pay dividends for a lifetime. You can't enjoy financial freedom if you're too unhealthy to live fully or too lonely to share it with others. Health and relationships are the hidden assets that too many people undervalue. So remember, investing isn't just about money. It's about building a life that's stable, secure, and fulfilling. Invest in yourself, invest in your financial future, and invest in your health and happiness. And let time do the rest. If you found these smart tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our journey to a smarter future. Be consistent, stay patient, and never stop investing in what truly matters. Because the smartest investment you can ever make is in yourself. Yes, I will say it again. The smartest investment you can ever make is in yourself.